I want to challenge something that I think is holding thousands of people back from making real money with AI. Every day, I receive emails from people telling me they're watching another AI video, taking another AI course, reading another prompt guide, or waiting until they feel ready. And the problem is, they're never going to feel ready. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent hours watching YouTube videos about AI, hoping that somehow one more video might finally give you the confidence to start. But confidence doesn't come before taking action. Confidence comes because of action. And today, I want to explain why. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that they need to become an AI expert before they can sell AI. And nothing could be further from the truth. Think about your local plumber, for instance. Do you expect him to know anything about electricity? No. He simply solves plumbing problems. The same applies to you. You don't need to know every AI tool. You only need one solution to one problem. That's exactly why I teach AI voice assistants for real estate agents. I don't want you chasing the newest AI trend every week. I want you building one simple recurring income business. The biggest mistake I see is information addiction, quite frankly. People mistake learning for progress. Watching videos feels productive. I get it. Taking notes feels productive. Buying another course feels productive. But none of those things put money in your bank account. Only conversations with prospects can do that. If you sent 10 Loom videos today, you'd probably, no, not probably, you would definitely learn more than watching another 50 YouTube videos. People constantly ask me, Don, what other AI business should I start? And my answer is almost always the same. And my answer is none. Master one. Learn one system. Sell one offer and repeat it. The wealthiest people I know aren't constantly chasing shiny objects. They're doing the same profitable thing over and over again. Once someone pays you, everything becomes real. Suddenly, you're no longer someone trying to make money. You're someone who has made money. That changes how you see yourself. It changes your confidence. It changes how you speak. It changes your future. If you wait until you feel ready, stop. Start right now. Reach out to one real estate agent today. Not tomorrow, today. You have nothing to lose. There's nothing to fear. One conversation can literally change the direction of your life. Look, if this video encourages you in even the smallest way, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like it, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel. And always remember to comment agent below. When you do, I'll personally send you my private link to a free 30-day GoHighLevel software trial, software I use to make my money. You'll also receive my complete AI assistance course, my pre-built AI voice assistants, my pre-built websites, my complete snapshot, and access to my private community and invitations to my live Q&A sessions where you can ask me anything so that you never get stuck. Because my goal is simple. I help you land your first paying client as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Thursday.
That was easy.